Hello everyone and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about talking about health, episode 31 today.
Yes, episode 31. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us.
Today, we will talk about health. Simple words, easy talk.
We will speak slowly, we will use simple English.
And we will share small stories from our lives, real talk.
Okay, Zoe, what does health mean to you?
Health means feeling good, body and mind, eating well, sleeping well, feeling calm.
Good. For me, health is about small choices every day. A short walk, drinking water, a smile.
Let us start with a small story. I will tell mine first.
Please do. I want to hear.
Last year, I felt tired, very tired. I slept a lot, but I still felt slow.
That can be hard.
Yes, I went to the doctor. The doctor said, "You are a little stressed." She said, "Sleep, food, and a walk can help."
What did you do next?
I started to walk every day, just 20 minutes. I drank more water, I ate more vegetables. I felt better after 2 weeks. Small steps made a big change.
That is a great story. Small steps, real change. I have a story too.
Tell us, Zach.
When I was young, I did not think about health. I ate a lot of fast food, I worked late, I felt strong, but I was tired inside.
Many people feel that way.
One day, my friend invited me to play basketball. I said yes. After a month of playing, I slept better, I felt happier, and I also made a new friend. Exercise helped my body and my mind.
See? Exercise is good for heart and mood. You can start small. Walk, dance, or stretch.
Try to move your body for 10 minutes today. That's a start.
Now let's talk about food. What is a healthy meal?
Simple food. Vegetables, fruit, whole grains, proteins, not too much sugar.
Breakfast is important. A good breakfast can give you energy for the day. Oatmeal, fruit, or eggs are good.
I like a simple breakfast. Toast, avocado, and an apple. It's easy.
I like yogurt with fruit and a little honey. Very easy.
Water is important too. Drink water, not too many sodas.
Yes, and if you drink coffee, 1 or 2 cups is fine for many people. But try not to drink coffee late at night. It can stop sleep.
Speaking of sleep, many learners ask us, how much sleep do I need?
For adults, 7 to 9 hours is a good goal. For teens, more sleep is normal. For kids, even more.
If you cannot sleep well, try a calm routine. Turn off screens an hour before bed, read a book, or listen to soft music.
A warm drink like milk or herbal tea can help too, but avoid sugar at night.
Let's talk about mental health now. This is very important.
Yes, mental health is your feelings and thoughts. It's okay to feel sad sometimes. It's okay to need help.
If you feel lonely or stressed, talk to someone, a friend, family, or a counselor. Small talk helps. Even a short conversation can make you feel better.
For simple stress, try breathing exercises. Breathe in slowly for 4 counts, hold for 4, breathe out for 4. Do this a few times. Your body will calm down.
Another simple habit is gratitude. Each night, say one small thing you are thankful for. It can change your mood.
I like that. Today, I am thankful for sunshine and a warm cup of tea.
Now let's practice some simple English phrases about health. These are useful in a doctor visit.
Good idea. Repeat after me. I feel tired.
I have a headache.
I have a stomachache.
I feel dizzy.
I have a fever.
I need to see a doctor.
Practice these lines. They are short and clear. You can use them in real life.
Also useful, how long have you felt this way? And do you have any allergies? These help a doctor.
Now let's talk about preventative care. That means doing small things to stop problems.
Examples: washing hands, brushing teeth, getting shots, and going to the doctor for checkups.
Vaccines are one example. They help your body fight some diseases. Doctors will tell you which vaccines you need.
And dental care. Brush twice a day, visit the dentist. A healthy mouth is part of health.
Yes, don't forget your teeth. Simple habits keep you healthy for a long time.
Now, a small story about mental health from my friend. She had a hard time at work. She felt anxious. She asked for a short break from work. She started to paint. Painting helped her relax.
Creative time can heal. Music, art, writing, these are all good. You don't need to be an expert. Just try.
Let's talk about limits. Health is not perfect. Don't aim for perfect. Aim for better. Small habits. Again.
If you miss a day, don't be hard on yourself. Try again tomorrow. That's okay.
Now we will give some simple tips you can try this week. Ready, Zoe?
Ready, Zach. Tip 1. Drink 1 extra glass of water each day.
Tip 2. Walk 15 minutes after lunch.
Tip 3. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier than usual, if you can.
Tip 4. Eat 1 extra piece of fruit each day.
Tip 5. Call one friend and have a short, real talk.
These small steps are easy. Do 1 or 2. See how you feel.
And tell us in the comments. We love to read your small wins.
Now, before we go deeper, a quick note. If you like this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, please subscribe and like. It helps us a lot. And share with your friends. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Back to our talk. Let's speak about common illnesses. Simple words again.
Cold, flu, cough, fever, sore throat, stomach flu, allergy. These words are common. Learn them slowly.
If you have a cold, rest and drink fluids. If you have a high fever or trouble breathing, see a doctor.
For allergies, sometimes doctors give medicine, or you can avoid the thing that causes the allergy.
Now a small role play. I will be the patient, Zoe will be the doctor. This helps learning.
Okay, Zach, go ahead.
Hello, doctor. I have a cough. I feel tired.
Hello, Zach. How long have you had the cough?
3 days. I cough at night. I sleep little.
Do you have a fever?
No fever, just a cough and sore throat.
Thank you. Drink warm water, rest, take a honey lemon drink. If you feel worse, come back.
That was simple. Try this at home with a friend. It helps your English and your confidence.
Yes, practice makes you better.
Now we talk about healthy routines for kids and adults. For kids, play outside, learn to eat many colors of food, sleep early. For adults, routine, small exercise, good sleep, time for fun.
For older adults, gentle exercise, like walking or stretching, regular checkups with a doctor, friend time. These are all good.
Let's include one emotional note. Health is also about love and connection. A hug, a smile, a kind word, they help.
True. When we feel loved, we feel safer. When we feel safe, we rest and heal better.
Now some simple questions you can ask in English when you talk about health.
Great. Now a quick listening practice. I will say a sentence, listen and repeat. I need a doctor.
I have a sore throat.
I feel better after rest.
I will try to eat more vegetables.
Good job. Keep practicing. Speak slowly and clearly. That's the best way. As we near the end, we want to remind you, small steps matter. Health is not a race, it's a steady walk.
And mistakes are okay. If you skip a day, start again. Be kind to yourself.
Thank you for listening to episode 31. We hope you learned simple phrases and felt a little better.
Please write in the comments one small health step you will try this week. We will read and cheer for you.
Before we close, one short breathing together. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, breathe out for 4. Again, breathe in, hold, breathe out. Good.
Feel a little calmer? I do.
Final thought. Health is about body, mind, and feeling. Little choices, kind words, and small actions make a big difference.
Yes. Take care of your body. Take care of your mind. Take care of each other.
Thank you for joining us today. See you next time. Stay healthy and keep learning English.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Final takeaway, small steps every day. One habit at a time. Be patient, be kind. Learn English while you practice life.
Bye.